HUI helps medical manufacturers create mobility solutions that drive their device sales, developing, engineering, and manufacturing custom carts tailored to your specific device, application, system, or brand. We're more than storage and color configurations. We're a perfect OEM supply partner. And since the 90s, we've been considered the go-to experts in custom carts. HUI helps MedTech innovators thrive with end-to-end manufacturing solutions, high-quality, ISO-certified manufacturing, low to mid-volume order quantities, engineering and design for manufacturability. And we build with IEC 60601 compliance in mind. So, if you're considering a mobility solution for your device, visit huimedicalcarts.com/resources to browse our online library of starter guides, videos, and more, including our IEC cheat sheets for medical carts. Visit huimedicalcarts.com/resources. That's huimedicalcarts.com/resources.